Wow, talk about a little hectic hurry to get up here today. Sun goes down at 8 o'clock now, so I am up Medicine Lodge Creek again. A rainstorm came through. The grass is still tall as tall can be. Last time I was fishing across the bridge. I'm gonna check this bridge. I think that's a mushroom. I just gotta check this out. This looks like so freaking weird. Oh my gosh. Seriously, that's a mushroom growing up in a crack. I probably wouldn't eat it, but that's pretty cool. So we're gonna go fishing down there. It's really wet. It's still kind of drizzling. I wanted to catch the storm for a storm video because I haven't done one for a little bit, but unfortunately it moved a lot faster than I can drive safely, and I didn't get much. So I just would like to catch a fish now. Oh, and I did happen to see a mama moose and her calf, and they were running along the edge of the cliff face about a half mile back. So that'll be super cool. Not super cool is the wind. It's going to mess up the mic. Well, let's catch a fish. That's what we're here for. So we're going to be using the Blue Fox. The water looks like it's down about 4 inches, but it's still running high. I can't believe that. It's freaking amazing. It's been a great year for water. So we caught all the fish, like not all the fish, but I caught 2 fish literally right out of this little pond when I was right over there last time. So we'll see what we can do. And we're using the Blue Fox with the rainbow pattern. My go-to awesomeness of awesomeness. I don't know how well we'll do. It just rained. So maybe we'll get a fish, maybe not. Plus, how late it is in the evening now. With the sun going down. The sun is going to go down here shortly. Fishy, fishy in the brook. Please come bite my little hook. Please. Please come bite my little hook. There we go. Oh, I missed it. Bunger. Trying not to fall into the creek here. Yeah, we go. Yay! Woo! I was hoping for some success. Oh, he fell off. That's great. That's easier to get him off the hook. Where'd he go? Woo! Well, I just fell down. That kind of was sucky. Well, I assume the fish made it back into the water because I almost made it into the water for him. That was fun. No, he's not. There he is. Okay, Mr. Fish. Oh, this is a really steep bank. Oh, we're having fun today, people. Here he is. Now, you gotta show the people at home. Yeah. Woo! All right, that's so worth it, right? All right. Beautiful rainbow. I thought he went into the water, but he didn't. So let us toss him back in there and try not to fall into the creek. This wet grass. Woo! That was fun. Woo! Yeah, let's try that again. I want to catch another one. I think I just paid all my karma dues. I hope that I paid all my karma dues. He hit that right as I was about ready to pull this out. That's awesome. Hold on, buddy. Woo! See that? He ate it. But I lost my Leatherman last week. And went to the gas station on the way here. We improvised.